Our bodies are quite miraculous mechanisms, and sound is very sympathetic to that. We are frequency-based ourselves as beings. It's automatic, the response that the body has, and indeed the mind and the brain to sound.
Take a big, deep breath. Gentle sigh. Letting go.
I was intrigued by the whole idea of quantum sound. From the second I saw the Cherub and Tim's practice, I knew immediately that something was special between all of us. The idea of quantum sound feels like a combination of everything I've been working on for all these years on the road. In that intersecting space in the middle, something magic occurs. It brings my love of drone and ambient music, and I'm able to meet it with my version of it. I'm fascinated by all forms of new technology. Spatial audio really intrigues me. It's a new way to share what I do. It's going to be a new experience for me, and I can't wait just to be a part of this entire thing.
It is our intention with quantum sound to harness the powerful energies of the dance floor and fuse it with healing high-frequency sound to create a new space, to blend both worlds together for us to experience something new.
When people actually encounter our sounds and our music, they go into a very, very deep state of relaxation and calmness.
What's better than finding some kind of inner peace or a still body of water at the bottom of your soul? It's just become increasingly important to me over the years. It improves my life in so many ways. It's just something I know is true, and I'm just going to keep walking down that path. And I really love this idea of sharing it with others.